Hey guys, on today's video I'm gonna be using the Colourpop Just My Luck palette. This is what she looks like. So I wanted to create a green look for you guys because you already know it's St. Patrick's Day coming soon. I'm not sure when I'll upload this video, but I know it's gonna be before that, so I want to give you guys some inspo. I just want to say I'm really glad Colourpop came out with a color story like this because there are palettes with green colors in them, but not like this, you know. If you guys are interested, keep watching. To start off, I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Master Prime. Now I'm gonna go ahead and go in with concealer. I'm gonna be using the Colourpop No Filter Concealer in the shade Light 16. This is my first time actually using this concealer. I bought it when I bought the palette. To blend it in, I'm gonna be using the Morphe and Jeffree Star sponge. Now I'm gonna set it with the Airspun translucent powder. I'm gonna start swatches for you guys. And don't think I'm swatching with the same fingers. I have been wiping my fingers down for each row. It's a little patchy. And these are all the swatches of the Just My Luck palette by Colourpop. I'm gonna go in with the JS5. I'm going to Kiss My Ass. So far they seem really pigmented. Obviously, light colors like these require more blending than a regular color, but so far, I mean, it's working out. I've learned that like the farther you hold the brush, so if you hold it really tight, it'll leave harsh lines. So what I've done is like try to distance my hand from the bristles, and it helps it blend out easier. Now I'm gonna go in with the Morphe M433. I'm gonna blend that with the Morphe M505. I am doing a cut crease. I want to keep the darker colors on the outside. See why I do my eyeshadow first? You see the fallout? I'm going with the Morphe 505. Now I'm gonna cut my crease with the Colourpop concealer. I like how the concealer set itself, and like I've said before, don't worry about it looking uneven or something because you're gonna blend it out anyways, so you might as well just leave it and hang tight. I'm gonna use Mary Jane for right here. Using big banks right here. I'm gonna do the rest of my face. You guys already know what I use for my face products because I posted that in my previous video. So if you haven't seen it, go check it out, but I'll come right back. This is my first time using the Colourpop No Filter Concealer, and so it's gonna be like a first impressions. What I will say is it is full coverage. I feel like this concealer is a little too light for me. I usually like concealers that are closer to my shade, but I mean, the coverage is there. I put my bandana in a cute little headband, the Mario Badescu. Now I'm gonna use the Morphe setting spray. For lashes, I'm going in with Cocoa lashes in the style Queen Bee. So my lashes are on. For my lips, I'm going with Morphe lip pencil in Sugar Pie and the Colourpop Ultra Matte in Times Square. This is the finished look. I hope you guys liked this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also share the video so more people can see this look and maybe get inspiration. Also, if you guys have any advice or recommendations to me, go ahead and leave them down in the comments. Besides that, thank you for watching.